In this video, let me show you how to show search box on Windows 11 taskbar. So right now, as you can see, my taskbar is currently showing only search icon. To change it to a search box, click on Windows Start icon, then select Settings. Look to the left panel and select Personalization. Now scroll down just a little bit until you see the taskbar section, then click on it. Under taskbar items, you'll see Search section. By default, it's set to search icon only. Click on drop-down menu and you'll see 4 options to choose from. If you pick search icon and label, you'll get a small search box with a label. To display larger search box, simply select search box. As you can see, full search box is now visible on my taskbar. And that's how you can easily show search box on Windows 11 taskbar. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.